बीम फॉर्मेशन में एक C-17 और 2 Su-30 विमान एशॉन स्टीमिंग फ्यूल में विक्ट्री फॉर्मेशन बनाते हुए दिख रहे हैं। ग्रुप कैप्टन समीप तेजावन के नेतृत्व में, साथ में है ग्रुप कैप्टन ध्रुव कुमार और विंग कमांडर सुदीप पी।
Heavy lift transport aircraft C-17 taken off today from Air Force Station Hindon, while the Sukhois got airborne from Jodhpur. Formation flying at a speed of 555 kilometers. Led by Group Captain Sameep Nithawan, mentioned in dispatches. Sukhois flown by Group Captain Dhruv Kumar, Vayu Sena Medal, and Wing Commander Sudeep P.
निगाहें आसमान में इन वायु गर्जन करने वाले विमानों को ढूंढ रही हैं और एक के बाद एक हैरत अंगेज कारनामे करते हुए फॉर्मेशन आगे बढ़ते हुए।
And now time for faster moves with pure fighter formations. In the lead, Jaguars. Jaguar, a versatile twin-engine strike aircraft known for its robust design and adaptability, capable of performing in challenging environment and thus a valuable asset for close air support, precision strikes and reconnaissance missions. And there you can see 5 Jaguars in arrow formation, formation led by Group Captain Akash Chechi. The other members of the formation, Wing Commander Ujjwal K. Mishra, Wing Commander Bharat Singh, Squadron Leader A.K. Jha and Squadron Leader Aditya Jamdagni.
अमृत फॉर्मेशन 5 जैगुआर विमान, भारत की सुदृढ़ वायु शक्ति का प्रदर्शन। स्क्वाड्रन का मोटो शक्ति विजयते, आदर्श वाक्य। फॉर्मेशन का नाम अमृत काल, भारत का विजन 2047
near Bikaner and flying at a speed of 750 kilometers per hour. Today led by Group Captain Akash Chechi. Marveled the choreography of power and precision, each jet being a symbol of the guardianship that keeps our sky sovereign and safeguard.
उपस्थित जनसमूह विस्मित है, आह्लादित है, रोमांचित है, प्रसन्न है भारत की इस वायु शक्ति का अवलोकन करके। अमृत फॉर्मेशन के बाद अब बारी होगी वज्रांग फॉर्मेशन की।
6 Rafale, omnipotent fighter aircraft of the Indian Air Force. Undoubtedly, one could say that even the winds along the Kartavya path have stopped to stare at these Rafales. 6 Rafale fighter aircraft flying majestically up in the air. Formation led by Squadron Leader Amol Garg, Squadron Leader Mihir Vivek Chaudhary, Squadron Leader Sarthak Kumar, Squadron Leader Mohit Tyagi, Squadron Leader Arun Athare, and Squadron Leader Shivangi Singh, all from 17 Squadron.
17 स्क्वाड्रन, जिसका आदर्श वाक्य उदयम अस्त्रम, 6 राफेल विमान हवा में विलीन होते हुए।
And now the audience thrilled to welcome the last but second in the series. We have the Trishul formation.
त्रिशूल फॉर्मेशन में 3 Su-30 विमान विक्ट्री फॉर्मेशन में उड़ान भरते हुए नजर आएंगे। 900 किलोमीटर प्रति घंटे की रफ्तार से त्रिशूल भगवान शिव का अस्त्र है और बुराई के अंतर का, दुश्मन के संहार का परिचायक।
Formation led today by Group Captain Manish Arora, Shaurya Chakra. Other members in the formation are Wing Commander Kunal Kalra and Wing Commander Abhimanyu Singh, all from 15 Squadron Lancers. And there you can see the Trishul formation comprising 3 Sukhoi 30 MKI air dominance fighter aircraft flying at a speed of 900 kilometers per hour.
3 Su-30 विमान जिनका विजय नाद सुनकर रोमांच महसूस किया जा सकता है, हवा में विलीन होते हुए त्रिशूल फॉर्मेशन बनाते हुए।
Having pulled up, watch the leader going further up and the wingmen spitting to cast a trishul or a trident up in the air. Formation led by Group Captain Manish Arora.
और अब रोमांच की पराकाष्ठा, विजय फॉर्मेशन। एक राफेल 900 किलोमीटर प्रति घंटे की रफ्तार से उड़ान भरते हुए 300 मीटर की ऊंचाई पर कर्तव्य पथ के वाटर चैनल पर नजर आएगा। सांसें थाम कर रखिए अपनी।
And in command of Group Captain Abhishek Tripathi, along with Flight Lieutenant Sona, here comes the single Rafale flying at 900 kilometers per hour. all set to touch the sky with glory as he will execute the victory roll over Kartavya Path today. Known as the Falcons of Champ and Aknoor, flying with their motto, Anbhishya Bhedi or Seek to Destroy. That's Group Captain Abhishek Tripathi. Climbing up, carrying out the victory roll, and finally will disappear into the blue yonder, signifying the motto of the Indian Air Force, Nabhas Prashram Deeptam.
Absolutely. Glory in the sky, touching the sky with glory. Historically, we know fly past have a special affinity with parades and form their aerial component. And today, here, the absolutely captivating fly past shown